Welcome back at Cook at Home, where we save money by cooking at home because the prices are just so damn high. You cannot sit at a restaurant, you cannot carry out at a restaurant, and you cannot do fast food no more because it's just too much money. So, this is part two. For some reason, my camera girl ain't on a job today, so I'm with the camera and I hit stop instead of pause. So we're gonna have to do this video in two sections, one and two. But if you didn't catch the first video, it's part one. It's on my page. Hit that. This is part two. So that's the taco meat. It's cooked all the way. As you can see, it's not greasy. It's dry. And what we're going to do is we are going to add our seasoning. And I like to add a little water too. To get all the seasoning so we're not wasting. We don't want to waste. Especially with these high prices today. I'll tell you what. It's getting to be where you're going to have to grow your own vegetables in your backyard. Make a garden in your backyard. We got a guy that's sleeping on the job. I mean, seriously, about that whole Texas Roadhouse deal. Who am I tipping and what am I tipping for if I'm the one that's doing the ordering on the app and everything and I'm paying for the food? Shouldn't that come out with the food price? You would think so. Why did I got tipped? No one served me a pop. No one served me a water. I went and picked up my own food. People, these prices at these restaurants are just getting so bad. You could take a meal like this, easy to cook, anybody could cook this, and like I say, it's not real greasy, and it could feed your whole family underneath $10, you know. The meat was the most expensive thing. I got it on sale, and the reason why it was so expensive is because the more lean you get, the less grease and the higher quality of meat, which means you're going to pay a little bit more. But it's better for you. It's going to cook better, a lot easier, and it's going to stay longer too. So that's why I always go with 96% lean meat. So you're going to pay anywhere from, $6 to $8, and then your taco shells another $3. So you're going to be somewhere at $10, but you're going to be able to feed your whole family, instead of going to a restaurant and dropping $80 to $100, and what you're going to get at a restaurant ain't going to be what you're going to cook at home. I can tell you right now, they're going to burn it, or it's going to be cold, or you could throw it through glass. I mean, people just don't care no more, because the reason why they don't care is because they're not getting paid enough on the job, and they get to keep their job because nobody's going to want their job, and so they need them. They're not going to get fired, so they give you what is called cold, burnt food that we don't care. And they charge your arm and a leg. But by cooking at home, you are going to save money at home, and you're going to be able to cook it the way you want to cook it. Not only that, you're going to stay away from the people that got the flu and COVID and all that, because remember now, if they report it, they get 5 days off. But a lot of people don't have sick time at their workplace. So guess what? They don't report it and they come to work. And guess what happens? They touch your food. And guess who gets sick? Yep, you guessed it yourself. Because of good old government and state laws that don't protect the worker or the customer. So, by cooking at home, it's going to be a lot safer environment. So sorry for the camera. Trying to do this with one hand. But what you want to do is you want to put this on a little simmer. And you want to mix it up. Get all the ingredients in your meat. Kind of like what I'm doing right now. Okay, and then you can see it's nice and hot. All the ingredients are mixed together. So now all you're going to need to do is get your corn or flour tortilla, wherever one you prefer. Me, I'm going to do flour. Whether you want any kind of vegetables on your taco or you just want cheese. I like cheese and mild sauce. I actually got Taco Bell mild sauce. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this. And I'll tell you what Taco Bell does. Taco Bell, you order a taco and they will give you this much meat. And this ain't no joke, okay? They give you that much, a spoonful of meat. And they put it on the taco like that. And seriously, that's what you get at Taco Bell. A spoonful of meat on your taco. And they charge all that money. And if you bite into it, and all you got is a tortilla and your vegetables and your cheese, you know. And it's like, where's the meat? That's because they put one spoonful of meat in. Me, I like to taste my taco. So I will use a couple spoonfuls of meat, and I do have cheese on there. And then I come back and I hit it with the hot or mild sauce. This is gonna be mild. I hit it with a mild sauce. And there you go. There you have it. You got a taco with cheese and meat on a flour tortilla. Lots of meat. You can't get that at no Taco Bell because they will not put that much meat in a taco. Until next time, make sure you're cooking at home and you're saving money at home because the prices are too high at these restaurants and fast food places. Save money by cooking at home. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.